Hello everyone, let us now discuss this question. Find valid pair of adjacent digits in string. This is an easy problem. Now, a valid pair in a string is considered as two adjacent digits in S such that the first condition we need to check is they are not equal. The first character or the first digit is not equal to the second digit, and the second condition is each digit in the pair appears in S exactly as many as its numeric value. So if it is having 2 1, that means if I have a pair like 2 1, then 2 need to appear for 2 times in the string and 1 should appear for only 1 time in the string. That means the frequency of every digit in the pair should be equal to the digit. So if I take this example, I'll search for pairs. But before that, I'll get the count or the frequency of every digit. So what are the digits present in this string? They are 2, 3 and 5. So 2 is having or appearing for 2 times and 3 is appearing for once, twice and the third time here. So 3 is appearing for 3 times. They both are okay. They both are can be considered. Now 5 and 5 is appearing for only 2 times. Now this is the first time I traverse the string and count the number of times each digit appears. Now the second time I traverse, I go through every pair. Now I got 2 and 5. Here 2 is appearing for 2 times, that is equal to the digit. So it is a valid one. But here 5 is appearing for only 2 times, so I neglect it. 5 is appearing for 2 times, which is not equal to 5. So I go through the next pair. Then I got 5 and 2. So the same thing, 5 is not appearing for 5 times. Instead, it is appearing for 2 times. So I neglect it. Then I go to the next substring or the pair, then I get 2 and 3. If you see, 2 is appearing for 2 times. Yes, absolutely it is valid. And 3 is appearing for 3 times. So they both are valid. So I simply return this substring 2, 3 as my answer. Now I have another thing 2, 2, 1. The second thing here I got 2, 2, 1. That means I got two digits 1, 2. 1 is appearing for one time and 2 is appearing, the frequency of 2 is 2. Now I take this. The first thing, as I said, I go through every pair. I go through this pair. But here there is a condition, right? The first digit is not equal to the second. But here it violates the rule. I got 2 and 2 which are equal. So I skip this and go to the next pair. Now I got 2 for 2 times, it is valid, and 1 for 1 time and it is also valid. So I simply return this substring. Now I got another example here. Let me quickly go through this. I got only digit 2. So 2 is appearing for 2 times. And if you see, I have only one pair 2, 2. Now in this pair, it violates the rule again. The first digit is not equal to the second, but here the first digit is equal to the second. So as I have only one pair, then I got nothing in my answer substring. So I simply return an empty substring here. So how do I solve this? I need to first get the frequency of every digit. For that, I'll write the algorithm. I'll use unordered map to get the frequency of every digit. So how do I get that? By traversing. Now, after that, as I said, I am going through every pair. So, if I start here, then I need to stop my iteration here. Instead, I start my iteration from index 1 and end at the last index. So, I'll consider this pair and then I'll consider this pair and then this and so on. Now, in this thing for every pair, if you see, traverse the string again, and now I need to check whether the first condition, the first character should not be equal to the second character, and the first character should not be equal to second character. After that, this character's frequency or the digit frequency should be equal to the frequency. The digit. The digit's frequency should be equal to the digit. The digit's frequency should be equal to the digit. So if it is true and the first character is not equal to second character and the digit's frequency equal to the digit, then I'll return the substring at I and also I minus 1 as I'm starting with index 1. So I'll return the index and the previous index digit as a substring. Now, what if I didn't get anything? I simply return an empty string. So this is how you solve this problem. First, give it a try, and if you don't understand or you can't get the code, then you can go to the link in the description and get the code. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel.